Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fondant without marshmallows. First, gather your essential ingredients like gelatin, liquid glucose, and vegetable glycerin. You'll also need a good amount of powdered sugar, some water, and a little shortening. This method ensures a smooth, pliable fondant perfect for decorating your cakes and treats. Let's start by preparing our base. Bloom 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water, allowing it to soften for about 5 minutes. Next, gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Then, stir in 1/2 cup of liquid glucose until it's well combined and smooth. Now, let's bring it all together. Sift 2 pounds of powdered sugar into a large, clean bowl to remove any lumps. Make a generous well in the center of the sifted sugar. Carefully pour the warm gelatin and glucose mixture directly into this well. This helps ensure an even distribution as you begin to mix. To finish, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Begin to mix the ingredients. Then turn it out onto a clean surface and knead until it forms a smooth, elastic dough. Wrap your finished fondant tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 8 hours before you use it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.